Introduction to Automating Document Sorting with Zapier.
Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects your favorite apps and services, helping you manage tasks without manual work. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a Zap that automatically sorts and organizes documents from different sources, such as emails and cloud storage, making your workflow faster and more efficient.
Setting up your Zapier account and basic concepts.
To get started, sign up for a Zapier account at no cost for basic use. Zapier organizes automation into Zaps, which consist of a trigger and one or more actions. Triggers are events, like receiving an email with an attachment. Actions are tasks, such as saving a file to a folder. No coding required.
Choosing a trigger, collecting incoming documents.
First, decide where your documents come from. This could be a Gmail inbox, an uploaded file in Google Drive, or an attachment in Dropbox. In Zapier, select the app and event that will trigger your Zap. For example, choose Gmail and New Attachment if you want to sort incoming email files automatically.
Defining the action, sorting and organizing documents.
Now, choose how your documents should be sorted. You can set up filters based on criteria like file type or sender, and then specify where to save the document, such as a specific folder in Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Zapier lets you create folders, rename files, or add tags for better organization.
Testing, customization, and going live.
Before using your automation, test your Zap with sample documents to ensure it sorts and organizes files correctly. Adjust settings if needed. Once you're satisfied, turn on your Zap. Zapier will now automatically manage document sorting in the background, saving you time and reducing manual errors.
Tips for effective document automation.
To make the most of Zapier, regularly review your Zaps and update them as your needs change. Take advantage of Zapier's built-in filters and formatting tools for even more control. Automating document sorting frees up valuable time, so you can focus on more important tasks while keeping your files organized.